Alright, what's up guys? Blaine the Main here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change out your engine air filter. And this particular model is a 3.7 V6 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, any model should be about the same as this. Sometimes they'll use a Phillips head. There'll be just clips, easy to get to, or sometimes it's going to be like a Mercedes and you need to get Torx and it's going to be right in the middle. But at least you should be able to understand it and see where is the air filter box. Now first things first, gonna come down here and pop the hood. Depending on your model, it should be right here next to the door. Now, bam. Sometimes it'll be right here underneath the steering wheel or even further back. And make sure you have the right air filter. In this case, mine looks like this. You can see it's all clean, brand new. We're gonna come around and open the hood. It's going to be a latch right in the middle on the right side, and you pop it to the left. Now don't let it scare you. See underneath here if you're not underneath here often. I'm going to identify where the air box is. Most of the time it's going to be connected to a hose going into another intake, or the intake hose. This one, for example, it's right here on the front right of the vehicle, the left if you're looking straight at the vehicle. And this one, for example, is an easy clip. It's supposed to be two of them. We're just going to take this right here, clip it up, pop it right off, and then it's already up. We just pick it up. Now we see this old air filter. Probably doesn't look as bad as in the video, but you could check up underneath it especially, and that's how you know if they're good or bad. And you check up in between them. You can see it's all comes all kinds of dirt and grit, and you don't want your vehicle breathing that in. Just like yourself. Even though you don't breathe in the engine air filter, you breathe in the cabin air filter. You want to treat the engine like as if it was you. And that's all bad. We're going to throw that one away. Take this new one. You're going to try to put it back in the same exact direction that you just took it out. This one, for example, this is the top of it, bottom of it, and all you gotta do is slide it right up in there. You take that intake air box top, and you gotta watch these back tabs and get them to slide right on in. Once they slid right on in, you'll be able to take this tab back down here again, lift it on up. Sometimes you might need two hands. Let me see if I can get the same video at the same time. Alright, you see how I got it over, and I'm going to latch it down. Latch it down. Okay. If it has a little bit of resistance, that means it's not fully on there. And that's easily fixable. Now, it should be able to latch down. And that is good. And just like that, your engine air filter is already changed out. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if this helped you, please leave a like and a comment. And always, I hope you enjoyed.